Want to master 80% of Chinese sentences in just 30 seconds? Here is the secret. Forget complicated grammar. Just remember this order: subject, time, place, verb, and object. For example, 我今天在家吃饭。我今天在家吃饭。I today at home eat meal. It's that simple. The golden rule: time and place always come before the action. Never put them at the end. I already dropped a full guide breaking down how to use this for endless sentences. Click the linked video below. Watch it now. I'm Song. Thank you for your time. See you next video. Bye.